Hi everyone! Welcome sa video natin ngayon at ang pag-uusapan natin ay ano ba yung pera? What is money? Kasi araw-araw ginagamit natin to, no? You use it to buy things, no? You get paid with it, no? At marami sa atin dito nagtitrade na ng forex, no? But if you think about it, how do you actually define money? No? Ano ba yung pera? No? Alam ko kung ano siya, no? Pero what 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 is the definition, no, of money, no? Saan ba nanggagaling to, no? How is the value derived, no? Paano ko nalalaman kung tumataas o bumababa yung value ng aking pera, no? So, ano ba muna yung money, no? What is money? Money is a commodity, no? It's a commodity that is accepted by the general public, no? Ibig sabihin, lahat tayo tinatanggap na yan ay isang valuable na commodity, no? Kahit papel lang yan, it's a valuable commodity. And yung use niyan, no, is a medium of economic exchange, no? Kaya tayo nakakalabas at nakakabili ng mga gusto nating bilhin in exchange for money. And at the same time, we get paid, no, with money. For example, kayo naman yung nagtitinda, no, binabayaran kayo with money, no? And that money you can also use for other things, no? So yun yung basic concept ng money. So ngayon, if we're trading the forex market, it's important for us to understand what are the factors, no, that derive the value of fiat money, no, or fiat currency. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng fiat na yun? Fiat means floating yung value, hindi siya nakapeg, no? Kasi kung sa tingin nyo na yung peso natin or yung US dollar ay nakapeg sa certain value ng gold, no, backed siya by gold or something else, that's not true, no? The value is derived from its current supply and demand and the stability of the issuing government, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi siya backed by anything, no? Na tangible, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi yan backed by gold or anything. It's just backed by supply and demand of that particular currency and the stability of the issuing government, no? So what does that mean? For us traders, it's a good idea for us to take a look at the supply and demand ng currency na yun, no? Kasi yung stability of the issuing government, syempre, let's trade the stable ones, no? For example, the major currencies, stable yung mga governments na yun. So we have to focus on the supply and demand. Now, since one of the biggest factors that contribute to the value of money is supply, sino ba yung nagko-control muna ng supply ng pera? That would be your central banks, okay? And that's the reason why it's very important for us to take note, ano ba yung ginagawa ng mga central banks ngayon? Ano ba yung moves na gusto nilang gawin? What are the tools that they're using to influence the supply of money? Because that will definitely influence the value of what we're trading, kung aakyat ba yan or bababa, no? So, dyan papasok yung ating mga central bank policies, no? Yung policy ba nila ngayon? Tightening ba, no? Or more on loosening, no? More on expansionary yung kanilang mga policies. Tinitingnan natin kung anong tools yung mga ginagamit nila, no? Nagtataas ba sila ng mga interest rates? Nagbababa ba sila? Nagpe-print ba sila ng maraming pera, no? Or nagbabawas pa talaga sila ng supply ng pera sa economy, no? So, with all of that, titignan ngayon natin yung mga economic indicators, no? For example, yung mga inflation, PMI, employment, no, GDP, we look at it from the point of view, will it increase or decrease the supply of money, no? Yan yung gusto natin tignan. Kunwari, may lumabas na data, no? Kunwari, we're looking at employment, no? So, ibig sabihin, mataas yung employment mo ngayon. Pag mataas yung employment rate mo, sa tingin nyo, anong mangyayari sa supply ng pera? Babawas ba kaya or dadagdag? Bibilis ba yung kilos ng economy? Probably dadagdag yan. Bibilis yung kilos ng economy. Or for example, napapansin nyo, masyado nang mataas yung inflation. No? Initially, you're seeing a lot of movement in the market kapag mataas ang inflation, mataas ang supply ng pera. No? If it gets out of control, anong gagawin ng central bank? The central bank will probably raise interest rates para bawasan yung supply ng pera. Pag binawasan nila yung supply ng pera, babagal ang kilos ng economy, bababa yung inflation mo. So, you take a look at what are the factors, no, that would affect the supply of money, no? And that's how we view kung ano talaga yung pwedeng mangyari sa value ng pera. Okay, so that is what money is, and that is those are the factors that derive the value of your fiat money. Okay, so hopefully that will help you in your trades. Anyway, thank you everyone. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to join our Discord group dito sa ating PAFTI. Bye-bye.